Hi everyone, my name is Mary Rains, and this is my introduction video. I am currently a 7th grade English teacher, and I work in Hutchinson, Kansas at HMS 7, which is our completely 7th grade building. We get about 350 or so new kids every year. Before I was a 7th grade English teacher, I also taught English in Great Bend, Kansas, and I taught 9th, 11th, and 12th grade, so I've taught middle school and high school. Some of the extracurricular activities that I'm involved in now within my district would be that I'm an OCR club sponsor. I'm also the Stuco sponsor for my building. I am the social committee president for my staff. I am the NEA building rep, and I also am a mentor teacher every year for new teachers. And then I actually am going to start being this next year. We're starting redesign in our district, so I'm one of the pilots or one of the people that are on that committee for my building as well. Not that that is super relevant information to have, but I thought it might be interesting for you guys to know just a little bit of the hats that I wear for my district going forward. So next is my strengths and weaknesses in technology, which was very interesting for me to have to analyze. One, to start out with, I'm kind of one of the go-to technology people in my building. Don't know if I necessarily should be, but it took me a minute to think about like what I'm good at in technology or what helps me with technology and what doesn't. So the first thing I think that I've come up with when posed this question is that probably my greatest strength in technology is that I'm a fast learner, or I am a good problem solver. I can pick up technology pretty quickly or navigate it pretty easily and figure it out. Um, I also have a huge willingness to try. I don't know if that's necessarily a skill or a strength, but I love to try new things in my classroom, and so technology would be one of those. And I'm pretty comfortable with trying out new technology. My weaknesses would include probably keeping up with technology. There's so many things out there that's why I think I have to be a problem solver with technology, that I can't just like know everything that's out there. And then I also, one thing that I would hope to get out of this, which also goes in with my weaknesses, would be how to effectively use technology in my classroom. Yes, I use technology, but am I doing it in the right way, or what have you? So those are my strengths and weaknesses. I really look forward to getting to know all of you guys throughout this class. Thank you for watching my video.